Howdy people. Once again I forgot my selfie stick, so I'm riding my bike, holding my phone in my hand, looking like a twat, but hey, you know what I mean. Hope everybody's good. Just a little quick ride along one of the trails where I live. This is on part of the Nutbuck Trail, which is part of the Sustenance Trail. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, as I was saying, this is part of the Sustenance Trail, which is a massive cycle network that crisscrosses Great Britain. Now I don't know whether they've done it yet, but they were talking of linking all the paths up at some point, which would be pretty amazing, especially if you're into cycle camping. And this one is exploring with Carl, I think he was asking. Yes, I've just looked. This is Route 67, mate. I remember you asking a few weeks ago. You can see that. Yeah. Yeah, I think I've already mentioned it on possibly the last video I did. Hopefully another week or so's time I'll be getting the GoPro 9, and then I'll be able to have a helmet strap or a chest strap, whatever, and I won't have to twat about doing this anymore then. I think this is again one of the many one of the many old railway bridges that are dotted around this area, obviously now defunct, sadly. I don't think I've been up. Oh God, I can't wait until I get that GoPro. I'm faffing about with this phone in my hand. So a quick look up here. I can't remember whether I've been up here or not, but we'll have a quick look. I ain't going to say how much longer it's starting to get dark now, and I still haven't got any bike lights. So all this land, from what I believe, was part of a really big company that used to make predominantly pipes, but they shipped them all over the world. And it's during its heyday, it's possibly the biggest employer of this local town. Luckily, and it's a sheer bloody miracle considering how many houses they are building nowadays, luckily, still great swathes of the land have just been left like this and have not been built on, which is wonderful. But I really should come out on me without my bike one day and map all these paths out, because there's literally there's loads of these public footpaths dotted all over this place. Some really good trails and into woodland and along the canals and past ponds, and you know, it's a shame not to utilise them all, considering they're all literally on my doorstep. And that's the what they do with these. As you can see, there's not much room, and this is to, I mean, you could get a bike through, you could perhaps just lift it over, but this is to stop people on motorbikes getting through and creating a nuisance. See, there's a path going down there. It just goes back the way I come. Now there's a path up there, an old road and a path. All woodland. God, I nearly got lost in whereabouts I came through. I think it was through here. See, this is another reason why I need to map these places out, because I literally, I've got, well, almost no sense of direction, and I get lost so easily. It's shocking, to be honest. Yeah, that's where I come. See, more paths leading off up there, look. Oh dear, excuse me. Vicker. A bit better if it's not too dark. View of the bridge. Like I say, we've got quite a few old, now defunct railway bridges going across these trails. A lot of them are quite a bit. This is obviously a newer one because of the brickwork, more modern brickwork than the concrete. But further down that way, there's some really nice old bridges, old stonework. And quite. I'll probably do a video of them actually one day, so you can see. Anyway, I'm going to carry on up that path. So please. Oh, there we go. So please like the video, and if you're not done already, subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and press that notification bell. I shall see you guys later. Much love.